Find the value of b if x minus 1 is a factor of x³ minus bx² minus x minus 10. Have solution. If x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, it therefore means that x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to 1. We now write down the polynomial x³ minus bx² minus x minus 10. Since x is equal to 1, we substitute into the polynomial 1³ minus b 1² minus 1 minus 10. And 1³ is 1. That is minus b minus 10 equal to 0. Oh, I forgot to write minus 1. Okay, let me write it in front. It is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we can take minus b to the right hand side. We have plus b will be equal to minus 10. And that is the final answer. Very simple.
Welcome to MathKub, the home of fun mathematics. Please like, subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.